Today I'm going to show you the steps we take to ceramic coat this 2025 Ford Maverick. Right now this vehicle is super dirty. It's been sitting outside, but that's okay. We're going to do our decontamination wash, but first we're going to start with the rim. We're going to use our dedicated wash bucket with our dedicated soap. I'm going to first use my best friend, wheel acid. Now that the rims are clean, I'm going to use my dedicated all-purpose cleaner to clean the tires and underneath them. Now that we foam the vehicle, we're going to use the 2-bucket method. 1 bucket with the soapy sponge and a clean bucket to rinse the sponge off all the dirt that's going to be picked up. We use the second bucket to wash off all the dirt and impurities that was taken off the truck when we washed it. Now we have 2 clean wash mediums to go back in and continue washing the car. Now that the car is clean with all dirt and debris, the next step is to do the decontamination with a clay mitt. Watch this. This mechanically removes all the embedded contamination, and it's necessary before we do our polish. So I'm going to apply this, foam it again, and do the clay. The chemical we put on there is called the iron decontamination. That's going to help pull out all the iron deposits from the brakes and industrial fallout. Then we're going to use our clay mitt to go ahead and clear the surfaces. The reason why we foamed it again on top of the chemical iron decon is so that we have some lubrication for this clay. And this is how we do it. One thing we're fortunate is the water that we're using is called deionized water, which means if it dries on this vehicle, it doesn't leave any water spots. In fact, we're fortunate to have our system all set up here in our van, which is right here. These are DI tanks. What it does is the water goes through here and pulls out all the materials that leaves water spots on your vehicle. This is a big thing for us here in Florida because the sun is out and it's hot all the time. So if this vehicle dries, there will be no water spots. Now that the vehicle is washed and cleaned and decontaminated, we have to dry it. This is what we use here. It's extra soft, extra thick, and very important, it's very absorbent. Check it out. We're going to polish this vehicle out and make it look as great as a showroom shine as we can get it. Next step is the polishing process. So now we're going to do a test spot and see the results that we're going to get. I've taped up the areas where I don't want the polish to get, and I'm going to do my test spot. So first I'm going to start with a brand new pad and my polish. So I'm going to do it right here and see the type of finish that we're going to receive. So my test spot looks perfect. So now that I know that this pad with this polish are going to achieve these results. So now all I have to do is the whole vehicle. Okay, all this work, and we just polished up this whole vehicle right here. From all the areas that are going to get ceramic coated, the glass, the paint, everything was polish. Now our last step before we do the coat is the prep. Most important part, it removes all the oils that was from the polishing compound. Here we go. Now that we have done all the prep, we cleaned it, we washed it, we decontaminated it, and we polished it. Now we're going to do install our ceramic coat. First, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my pad and simply apply it. Now that I applied it, I'm going to wait a couple moments for it to flash. The flash will evaporate some of the solvents in the ceramic coating, and then I'm going to level it, making it look perfect. Once I coat this whole vehicle here, it's going to be protected up to 3 to 5 years, depending on how the customer maintains the vehicle. This is just one section. I'm going to go ahead and take care of the rest. We're all done. This car, this 2025 Ford Maverick is ceramic coated and protected. Check this out. Look at the shine, the luster. Look how beautiful it looks on the black paint. Everything was coated. The bumpers, the plastic, the rims, the glass, and of course the paint. It was a long day, but it was a labor of love. Now you understand the steps we take to ceramic coat a vehicle. To achieve these results, we have to make sure that every step we do are done correctly. Thinking about getting your vehicle ceramic coated? We're trained and certified. Contact us and we'll answer all the questions you may have regarding the service.